Welcome back to a new live stream. Let me just check out it. So the mic is working and also screen is captured. So today we are going to develop a new project with anti-gravity because in the previous live stream, anti-gravity was unable to develop the project and it also unable to fix the problem, and then we used DeepSeek and fix that problem. So today, let's give him another try and check out if this time it will generate a website successfully. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So we got an update here. Here you can see restart to update. We will click on restart to update and updating anti-gravity. So let's see. We got an update. So after the update, we will check out that it is working right now or not, because in previous stream Antigravity was unable to do that project completely. So then click on view change log. So one moment. Okay, activating extensions. One moment, the agent is currently loading. So we got a new update on anti-gravity and we will check out what's changed and let's give him another try. Okay, we stability and bug fixes. Okay, Nano Banana Pro, launch day, and Google Anti-Gravity. Okay, blah blah blah. Let's leave that. Now let me give you the summary of the project. So I will first of all let me open one agentic. So yesterday we create this weather app. Let me just go to that folder and let me show you that what we developed yesterday. So we were weather app here, and let me click on shift and right click and then open PowerShell, and we will say npm run dev because this is a React project. We need to run it. So let me, okay, we need to copy this and give you the idea. So yeah, right click and add a new group or move to a new window. Okay, so we will just doing that here. Why is not the hell? Okay, now in here control V and we generate this website here, but Antigravity was unable to generate this website, and then we've used DeepSeek and DeepSeek fixed everything, but Antigravity was unable to fix that. So after the update, let's give him a try of another project and let's see if it is successfully doing that or not. So let's get started. So first of all, what will be the project? So the project will all about, we will get search queries from Wikipedia. So it will show the Wikipedia details, the Wikipedia post, and also about that search, we will get images, right? For example, if we search about a celebrity, such a search about tables, right? Since we search about tables, so in here it will show us images for it and also the videos and just one single video. So let's see how it works and how the agent will generate that. So let me go to going on. Okay. So we will create a new workspace. So we will say open workspace and open new workspace and development. We will go to development and we will click right click new and then folder, and we will say the project name will be search optimization will be better, right? And search optimization. So it will be like search v or we will name it informal. We will get okay, and we will select the folder. Okay, select the folder, and here we will close the first. We need to close this folder and also this. Close this folder. Now let me just talk with the updated anti-gravity. So let's give him a prompt. So we need a website and which only and which and welcome page research will be appear like Google search bar, and we will search things and search results will be from Wikipedia search results. Wikipedia search results. Okay. Now this was the first option. Okay. Second, when a user click on it search item from Wikipedia search results, then it will show information about that search query, about the search query from Wikipedia, then also show images results. There's about that query and last show video suggestions about that Wikipedia search query. Okay, so this was the main theme of it, but we need, and all of these will be shown in a single page. For example, in here this tab will be like Wikipedia data, then in the middle it will show the images, and right side it will be showing the suggested videos from YouTube or whatever. Then now we give it the updated anti-gravity that it will be the front, but let me tell him that all the search results will be shown and single page. For example, divide, think this right, divide is like this. Yeah, for example, divide the screen into three parts. Okay, three parts. One for Wikipedia results, second for images results, and third for video suggestions. Like this, like suggestions. All things will show and same page. And let me change the model to Gemini Pro High. So previous live stream, Antigravity was unable to deliver the whole project and unable to fix the problem. But we got an update yesterday, and I updated today my Antigravity, and we gave him a shot if it is completed or not. So we said we need a website in which welcome page welcome page. Let me just check out. We need a website in which welcome page search will be appear like Google search bar, and we will search things from okay, and search results will be from Wikipedia search results. Second, when we user click on that search, then the Wikipedia search results, then it will show information about that search query from Wikipedia. Then also show images results about that query, and last show video suggestions about that Wikipedia search query. All the search results will be shown in a single page. For example, divide the screen into three parts: one for Wikipedia results, second for the images, and third for video suggestion. All things will be shown in the same page. Okay, this is our prompt. Now let's go. So I did this project for my final project and university. So let's see if I did that and about final project for about 15 days. So let's see, Antigravity will generate that sort of website in just 1 hour. So okay, this is working. I'll click on this implementation plan. Let's check implementation plan. So the name will be Wikipedia search and media dashboard plan. Build a freemium responsive web application that allow user to search Wikipedia. The app feature a Google like search experience, so it is just the same as my prompt, and unique tree friendly to view displaying Wikipedia content, related images, and video suggestion on a single page. Video suggestion since do not have a Wikipedia data key, so video suggestion section will use a mock data approach or simple YouTube search query embedded to demonstrate functionality without querying it. So we will fix it when we just get everything here. And propose changes, so project setups and everything. So let's me check the task here. So see initialize project and implementation plan is create implementation plan dot md. Okay, let's accept that. And core feature create homepage, implement Wikipedia search API, search result selection UI, and create detail fetch. Is that? What is that? Span accept. So let's see today anti-gravity is working fine or not. We got an update. Let's see it works or not. Accept. Everyone who is coming right now and watching, so must like the stream so we will engage with more people. And if you have any question, comment down below. If I know about that, we will give a chat. And if I don't know about that, we will search right here in DeepSeek. Okay, let me open DeepSeek because I'm using all the time DeepSeek. So let's see. If you have any question, just comment in the chat. So let's see, installing dependency setup, everything is here. Let me, so this is, come on, this is the task. Currently it is initializing the project. And we will see what's going on and we will wait for it. And tell me if you have known for a free background music for the programming. So that will be a plus point. You can recommend me any website where we can play background music, so that will be a good choice for us. So it is working right now. We close the file share. Currently working on initialization. Let's see. Because yesterday Antigravity was unable to deliver the whole project. But after the update, we gave him another try. And this project which I am building, I built it in my final project when I was in university. So this is my final project where I develop an Android application in which we search and the search results come from Wikipedia API. And when we click on that search results, we got also the Wikipedia article. Second, we got images about that. And I use a API. I don't know about that. That will be in here somewhere in my system. And also I used Google YouTube API for getting the YouTube suggestion about that query. So let's see if this anti-gravity use that and give me that project. And I will upload all the files and my blogger. So you will check out there. So all these are implemented. The hell? Okay. It is just enabling the feature here. This is incognito mode. where anti-gravity browser control preview is this, where we got an extension. Here you can see anti-gravity browser extension. It will be installed through this anti-gravity agent, and this is necessary because it will testing the application. It will take, like, here you can see getting DOM at the bottom side. It is now recording the screen and sending to the agent. It will check out if there is any changes or something happening, but currently it is just a white background. So let's see what it is doing right here. Currently it done everything, the agent done the core features, and now implementing the plan and verification is going on. So let's see this. I hope that after the new update of anti-gravity, it will deliver me the project. If it is not deliver this project to me, so this will be a garbage. This will be a garbage. Anti-gravity must be called a garbage for me. So it is here search. It is running this. So it is testing. You can see here the agent is testing the browser. You can see everything if the agent is testing, and you can see what agent testing right now. So this is incognito mode, where the anti-gravity browser extension is working, taking screenshots and video, stuff like this. So let's see. It is running and extracting the DOM elements. So it is not fully used, like we have implementation. So first thing, I am just curious about it. Like, it needs to be first check out the implementation planning, but it first did the core feature. For me, this is a bug. It needs to be from top to bottom. For example, if it initialize a project, right? Then it needs to search, the agent needs to search the implementation plan. Then it needs to implement the core feature, then go to styling and polish, and then go to verification. But this agent does first initialize the project, then skip this portion, and then go to core feature. I think this agent will end up with just a lot of bugs, and it will not get the result correctly. Yesterday it was working fine, but after the anti-gravity new update, it is doing this. And in the free video where they show the result about the anti-gravity, it's showing in the seminar that this agent will work from top to bottom, not like this. It will follow the task. But in here, when it is building Wikipedia search and media dashboard, it's skipping implementation plan. I don't know why. And now it is stuck here. It is stuck here in extraction DOM elements. And I don't know what is going on. The page is still not loading content. I will check it, and it's checking. I think everything is fine, but is it just stuck here? What is this? What's going on? I don't know. Implementing home results, stat and task. Div, everything is here. And it is stuck here. Here you can see it is stuck. What's going on here? For example, if I say TABLE, something show up here, click on search, giving me the search. What's going on is here. It's not working properly. What's going on? It is just stuck here. Extracting DOM elements and opening URL. Antigravity, what the hell is this? From the first 5 minutes, just running and running. And here you can see, you can cancel it, but why? I don't know what's going on. It is not working. Anti-gravity sucks. It's taking too much time. Let me just cancel it and fix let me tell your agent stuck. Agent stuck. Your agent stuck and do it again. I give him another try. What's going on? Like it's completely shut down. Are you kidding me? The system is crashed after the update. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What the hell is happening? Nothing. Let me just close it, and also close this. What's going on? Let me restart it. This is a huge bug. How can your new agent stuck and not working? Wow. This is... Are you wasting my time? I will click on bad. Bad. Okay. I fix the project and check the project and build it again. Okay, click on this. So let's see. Anti-gravity sucks. You kidding me? What's going on? Wow. If this happens again, I'm going to uninstall this. Yesterday is doing the same thing. Unable to build a project, and now doing the same thing. And today after the update is completely stuck and stop working. Wow, this is bullshit. Now it is testing the DOM. It is testing the DOM here. Okay, the search result is there, the same as the previous. Now getting the DOM. If this stop working right now, I'm going to uninstall this garbage. Taking time and stuck in this one place. Let's see. Okay, typing it. Okay, it is now typing and testing SpaceX. Okay, and it's getting the SpaceX. Let's see how it works. Now the agent is testing its results right now. This is the good feature, but your whole agent messed up and not working. If this time Antigravity stop working, I'm gonna uninstall this. Simple and straight. It didn't work tomorrow yesterday, but I got an update today, so I was thinking that it was working. But right now, same as previous. I will give the same prompt to DeepSeek and you will see it will create that project within 5 to 10 minutes. I was thinking that this is a Google product and Google agent it will works like awesomely, but from the previous experience and now this experience, I'm disappointed by the Google. How you can do that? So it says I successfully can, let me just, I can't, what the hell is this? So after the updates where Elder's toggle terminal is here. So it says that I fixed it. I have successfully built the verified version. The search flow and 3 fan detail view are working correctly. You can view the walkthrough and the details. Open and I don't want this. This is completely garbage. You can do that. Let me run it. Right. So we will say npm run dev. Okay. Let's see. Let's see, control copy, and we will go the control V, and this is bullshit. And this is completely bullshit. How you can do that? Like for example, if I go to search for a ball and then click on ball, the video suggestion is there. I don't want that. This is bullshit. Let him give a new try. So I will say. So I did this in my final project and it's completely stupid. This is garbage. Where is CSS, no, no awesome looking. I will do that right now in front of you without an AI, and it will be mind blowing. But just this. Looking second, let's the search for at center top, center top, top, and top. Second, show the search results and drop down menu with input changed. Also green setting uh, split portion screen portion divide it divide what I'm doing and vertical columns mode like this wiki then images then video suggestions. Let's see what our stupid anti-gravity does. I'm hoping that it will be the same as the previous. Yesterday it ends up nothing. And currently it is end up nothing. Okay, let's see. So this is, where is that? What sort of website is this? This is like doing a project and a first step your university where you search for like understanding what is web development and you just drag and drop a input text and a button with the label search. This is like, what the hell is this? This is the last time I'm trying Antigravity. After this app it not deliver this project to me, I'm going to uninstall it live. So now it's applying the CSS to the background, but the search is here. I told him to do it in the search at the top center. Now it's taking the screenshots and testing it. And I was hoping when I got the update, I was thinking this will work. But not. It is not working. You stupid. Come on. I told him to do it in a column wise, not a row wise. Like In here, it will show the Wikipedia data. In here, in the middle, it will show the images. At the right side, it will show the video suggestions. But it is not following my. Oh, it's why wasting my time. It is getting the data from the Wikipedia, but not getting it, not following my instructions. Come on, what are you doing? So it is sending the data here. It This is video. I told him to do the search here at the center top, but it is left top. Let's see. Let's see. What is the hell is going on? Are you kidding me? Let me just control C and then npm run dev. And let's search it out. Okay, done. There's nothing like, for example, B double O. Okay, it's showing the search results. Okay. What's going on? Fix the UI. I told you to put to put a search more at top center, but you are not following me. Not follow my instructions. It is looking like a kid did the UI, right? Fix the UI. Also, the search results show it column wise and divide the screen the into three parts. Three-fourths and column wise like this wiki photos and then videos. This is I will do the same prompt to the DeepSeek and it will do it awesomely. But what is this? misunderstanding the layout together. So it is updating. Okay, now it's launching UI overhaul. Let's see what changes here. Nothing change. Nothing. Same to same. Index.css. Can I get? Let me show you what I want. Okay, online pant. Okay. Okay, let me show you. Okay, we will say and let me open it. What I wanted. This is the screen, right? This is the screen, and I want to divide it into three parts. Okay, like in here, this will be the search bar, and when user types something here, it will show up here in the drop down menu, right? Then after the drop down menu, I want to split the screen like this. So this will be like wiki data here, and photos will be here, and the image videos will be here, but it is not following this. I think this anti-gravity agent is drunk. It's drink a lot of wine. I don't know what it's doing. This is the stupid agent I ever seen in my working with AI experience. How you can do that? Come on. This is bullshit. Come on. I have fixed the search bar is now permanently fixed at top center. Right? It said that. It also sent the picture to the server, and it's showing that the search bar is permanently fixed at the top center. Let me show you what is the top center. Okay, let me just cancel it, rerun the server, and now let me. Where is the center? Where? It is looking in the left top side. What are you doing, anti-gravity? This is bullshit. First, for example, let's search for Bieber. Justin. Okay, let's stop for Justin. And we will, for example, Justin Bieber. Okay, it's getting the data. And now the photo is, no photos are here. Nothing's up here. It messed up the previous version. And the search is at left side. I'm changing it to Claude Sonnet, and I'm giving it the last try. That's gonna be the last try, and then we will use DeepSeek. So we started this project on 1:30, and currently we have 2:13 a.m. Let's see. Okay, search is not fixed. Make it big and big, like hovering 70% width of the screen. Make it center top. Currently, it is an left top. Make the suggestions clickable through keyboard. Also, no video suggestions showing and no images loaded. Now I change the model and let's see how it will fix or not the problem. This so our beloved anti-gravity made me this. I told him to generate a search bar which will be placed in the center top. We will type something, it will get the suggestion from the Wikipedia, and it is like looking like a one-day developer did a project and just implement a search bar. And it told me in the previous version that I have fixed the UI. The search bar is permanently fixed at top center. Okay. What kind of top center is this? What kind of top center is this? This is called left top. Left top. Stupid agent I ever seen in my life. This agent is also taking the screenshots, sending the videos, everything, and still the stupid agent ever. I told him to place this search bar at the top center of the screen. But no, it is not doing that. Also, I told him to divide the screen into 3 parts and a column wise, not a row wise. Come on. This is the last try for it. I think it is the problem is with when you are using the agentic mode. I think that's the problem. Okay. Now it shows me that I fix all in here. You can see that all fixes has been successfully implemented and verified, right? And second thing, uh, and here center and keyboard navigation works, images or video loading properly, please review. And in here it shows the final work through demonstrating all fixes. 70% of web center search bar is here. Okay, this is I highlighted this. Let's see how it looks. So let me restart the server for the npm. We will say npm run and then dev. Okay, and to tell me where is the 70% width and where is the search bar looking at the top center. So this is incorrect. This line is incorrect. Top center. Okay. Let's see. Example, we will again just 10 and now keyboard is not working. I'm going to go down and keyboard is not working. Second thing, when I hover on it, click on Justin Bieber and no photos are loaded here. So you are stupid. Let me just close the agentic mode and open folder here. I will go to my development here and then go to this is my final project. I did this in my final project and this agent is unable to do that. So where is Informo? Select folder. Okay, let me just close it everything. We'll right click and close all. And here let me talk with this UI. Okay, I fix the search. Well, place it in top center of the screen. Then for the results, results divide the screen into 3 parts. For example, left side show Wikipedia data, center, well, come on, show images and right side will show video suggestions. This is the last try I'm doing it, and if this not works, I'm going to uninstall Antigravity. I'm going to uninstall it. The other agents are not doing like the recording the screen and taking screenshots and verification. I want simple this top center. This will be the search bar. Here will be the Wikipedia data will be showing here. The images will be show up here and the video suggestion will be here, but it is not following me. The agent is drunk. This agent is completely drunk. Let's see. I think the problem is with when we use, here are two types. One is this explorer type and one is agentic type. Let's see if it is fixing or not. It's getting the data but not showing it correctly. Also, it's not getting the data of images, also the data of videos. So let's see if it's changed anything right here. Let me just, nothing, same. It's still the same. I wanted like this UI. The Explorer will show like the Wikipedia data, and then the center will be the image data, and the right will be suggested videos about that search query. If it is not fixed yet, I'm going to DeepSeek. I will give it the prompt, and you will see that DeepSeek will fix it. I think what is going on with this agent? I'm working on single project. You can do uh, chat with this agent for multiple project. If it got multiple projects, what it will be? Currently working with one project and it is doing this. Does anybody know what's the problem? It is not following the instruction I give it to him, or it but not working. It just wasted my 1 hour. This agent wasted my 1 hour, and I will do this same work in DeepSeek within 10 minutes. Let's talk with DeepSeek, right? Can we do that? It is capturing the screen and still not working properly. Wow. Here you can see it's tagged the screenshot from it. The search is at left top side. It is not showing at the top center. But when it finished the work, it will show me that the search is, I fixed it. Now, this is what I'm talking about. Here you can, I successfully refactored the search layout. Here you can see I successfully refactored the search layout. The search bar is now fixed at the top center and pressing enter works as expected. The search result flash displays the requested 3-column layout. You can see wiki, photos, videos. I also cleaned up unused data code. Okay, so I am talking like this because it wasted my 3 hours, but let's say npm run and then div. Okay, we will copy this. It already here, control V, enter. And let's see. So the dumbest agent says, I do not know what's going on, but here is our agent. Hello. Hmm. So I have successfully refactored the search layout. What sort of refactoring is this? The search bar is now fixed at top center. You can see at top center. It is called top center. It is called left top center. It is called left top. And pressing enter works as expected. Okay. Let me search anything. For example, Justin Bieber. Okay. Here is the working. I am going through the keyboard and nothing works. Let's, for example, go to Justin Timberlake. Okay. So the agent say the search result display the requested 3-column layout. Where is the 3-column layout? Let me just make it control minus 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 minus. Okay, it is like showing this and nothing's. Come on. What sort of data is this? For me, for me. This is the stupid agent ever. I also cleaned the unused code. Okay. This is 3-column. What's up to this is column. This is rows. This is rows, not columns. Column is like this vertical columns, horizontal columns. I am giving it the last option. Okay, this is gonna be the last option. And we will go to chat GPT. This is the last option. Now I'm going to the same. This is my last prompt. Otherwise, I am uninstalling it. Installing anti-gravity. Simple as that. Stupid thing. First, fix the search bar at top center. Second, make the search bar take 70% of the screen width. And third, to the results and vertical column manner like this. Wikipedia images to exceed. So it exceeded. We will jump into the cloud. I will show video suggestions. This is the last try. If this not fixed, I'm going to uninstall Antigravity. This is not made for me. I do not want to waste my time again. I will use the same as DeepSeek. Come on. Oh, it is showing like this. What's the problem? Is there anything wrong with my prompt or something else? Does anybody know about this? Hi. Why? Why agent Saab? The search is. Come on. Can we just click on plus? Okay, we can upload a image to him, right? So let me open the paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint. Okay, and let's demonstrate to him our brushes. Okay, so can we make the brush a bit smaller? Okay, size is here. We will say like this, and we will say, okay, this is the screen. Controls, that's what I'm doing. How you can just do a ruler in this 3D paints? I'm working with Photoshop, and in here I don't know how to do it. Okay, we will this and this. Then we will type a text here and we will make it a bit smaller. Come on, we will do it like 24 and we will here say wiki data, and again we will say images, and here say video suggestions. How we can do that? Okay, we can use that. Okay, we can use that. Make the size is. Okay, we will. The agent is working. Everyone who is watching right now must like the stream. I'm going to create the layout for the. I'm going to create the layout. Okay, so we will say like this, and from this to this. Okay, nice. I will give him this. Okay, now can I just make it? Come on. This is so hard. Photoshop is so good. So now, okay. And also I want it with this. Nice. We will file save as. We will save it to the PNG and desktop, and until we save it. Okay. Perfect. I have successfully completed all three requirements. Number one is search bar fix at top center. Okay. We will control C and and a control. Okay, then we need to run it again, and let me go to that, and uh come on, control plus V and enter. So the search bar is not in the center, so to dumbest it is left top center. So second thing, it shows the search bar is already positioned at the top center. The screen is header. Search bar takes 70% of the width. Okay, where is the 70% of the width? And already implemented with the 70% class. The result is vertical column layout. So it shows me, and whenever I type something like here, Justin Bieber, it is vertical top. Are you kidding me? This is not vertical column layout. So I will click on plus, click on images, desktop, use the same kind layout for the wiki data, images, and video suggestions. Let's see if it gets something. It gets something from that. Okay, let's see. What the hell? This is horizontal? No way. Is this? Are you kidding me? This is horizontal, but this is vertical. The hell? Let's see if. Perfect, I have centered the. Okay. Let me. Left all. I'm wrong or that dumbest. Am I wrong? This is horizontal or vertical? Hmm. The same as usual. The same as usual. So I give it to him this layout like this, right? Wikidata images video suggestions. And this stupid one give me, for example, and let me control C and then again run it on this port 5176, and this is the port. First of all, the search is not in the top center. We will say Python, Python, Python programming language. Okay, where is that layout? First of all, let me do one thing. close this. I will go add or remove programs. I'm doing it online. Then go down here, search for Google Antigravity, click on uninstall. Uninstall. For me, I do not talk about other ones. For me, this is just waste of time. Okay. Well, click on yes. Bye bye. And let's fix that problem with DeepSeek. Sorry, you're not following me. Okay. Now let me open the VS Code. Close this. And let me open the VS Code. Sorry, anti-gravity, you're not for me. You are not for me. Okay, open folder. We will open, is that inform select. Okay, let me go to src pages. This is app.cs index.css. Control all, control copy. Right, I'm going to DeepSeek and tell him this is my index.css. I think Gemini will also work like this, but that agent is not working. For me, that was a waste of time. From the first 3 days, only 1 day is working, and yesterday also not working, today not working. So this is my index.css, and I want to place the search bar at center, top, and center, top, and center, top, and cover 70% of the screen width. Okay, Control V. Now we go to VS Code, is main.jsx, tab.jsx, and we need home.jsx. So where's the search? App component, layout.jsx, control copy, and let me tell him this is layout.jsx. We'll give it also this, and now we need to give it this is home.jsx, copy, and this is index.html. This is home.jsx, and also I will go to that. This is detail.jsx, and I want to to the data and screen to divide it into three parts. Parts like wiki, data, and images, and video suggestions. Let's see what DeepSeek can does. Okay, looking at your code, you already positioned at the center topic. However, I see few improvements to make it better. Here's the updated CSS. Okay, let's see if DeepSeek works or not. I already uninstalled it. Stupid. Okay, it's not works. For example, where is that? Okay, we will say npm run and then div. Oh, it should be works. 5173. 5173. No, works. Ooh, this is okay. We need to update the CSS here. So index.css. I want to update this. Let me close this. Control All, Control V. Okay, Control S. And we need to update layout.jsx. So here's layout.jsx. V, Control S. And also detail.jsx. So we will see detail on Control V, Control S. Okay, and now let's run it. Let's run it. See, just one prompt and DeepSeek does it for it. The hell? And that stupid anti-gravity took 1 hour and not fix it. Let me just say like Justin, and now you can see the keyboard is working and DeepSeek anti-gravity not working. I will click on Justin Bieber, and here you can see simple as that. Simple as that. It shows the search results, everything here. This is just a demo project, and with one prompt DeepSeek does it right, and wasted my 1 hour on that stupid anti-gravity. So my suggestion and the bottom line is this: for me, DeepSeek, for me, anti-gravity is not working, and as usual, DeepSeek works best. So again, let me type like Justin, and we will type. Okay, let me just go to DeepSeek, and we will tell him make the drop down search results with white background. So it will visible clearly. This is the power of DeepSeek. I told everyone that DeepSeek results, like this results takes time, but it is really good in correct way and also corrected. So after 3 days of testing anti-gravity, my suggestions and for me, and I'm not talking other developers, for me, that's not good. That's not good for me. This is okay, updated layout. Okay. I wasted my 1 hour on anti-gravity. And let me tell him, give me whole updated index.css. So let me go to what we need to just change. Just forgot that. With JSX, layout.jsx, I will copy and layout.jsx, control all, control V, control S, and then this is updated. It takes time, like about 2 to 3 minutes, but gives you the correct information. That's the power of DeepSeek. So this was the last day for me to test the anti-gravity, and I just uninstalled that. Is and let's come on, what's going on? Control C and again run it. You're running on local host. Control copy and say control V, run it. What's going on? HTTP localhost. No way. npm run dev. अच्छा, that's ये cancel होता है. I think that's cancelled by control C. So I need to refresh it. Yeah, it's not working. So now when I search for Justin, now it works. It works. See, this is the power of DeepSeek. So now if I go down here, click on Justin, and it will show the data. But now the up and down is not working. And let's see, like we will say Trump, TRUMP. Now it works fine. Trump, Donald Trump, and it's showing data for the Donald Trump. So let me just the details page is not scrolling. Second, make the image wizard small and make it eye pleasing. Also, make the video suggestions small with thumbnail and title. So currently it is looking like this and scrolling is not working, but let's see. Let's rerun it. Okay, we will run it. No, you messed up. Everything messed up. I'll click on TRUMP Trump and Donald Trump rolling. Not scrolling and also make the layout like the image reference image. I just give it to you. Fontless, and we need to go to desktop. Yes. Justin Bieber. just introduce. So at getting the data from the Wikipedia but not showing the data of the images, and also let's see if it fixes or not. You know, we need to change the details, I think. Yeah, details and detail.jsx, control all backspace, control V, control S. And you click on backspace. Let me V, control C, we will control C, we will again and again npm run dev. Okay, and now distance, and here we'll say true. No, not showing. Not showing. So we will say is dot index.css, control copy. Okay, not fixed, and fixed till prone, not working, things, and not showing the images and video suggestions on the screen. This is index.css. I think the problem with the index.css, that's why I'm giving it in the front. Okay, so add these critical styles to fix the scrolling. Here's the complete solution with the fixed scrolling and proper layouting. Okay. So before doing AI coding, if you do not know about coding, do not use it. Simple and straight. AI coding is for those who do not want to waste their time and get some extra benefit from the AI. AI coding is not for the beginners. You need to understand what is programming, what is web development, what is Android development, what is iOS development, and when you become a junior developer, for me, then use these tools like Gemini, DeepSeek, and also the agents like Cursor, Claude, and other things. But if you are a beginner, you do not know how to code and steps, and you are using these tools, you will be end up with a bad shape. So first of all, you need to understand the key concept, how we can secure a website, how we can secure a data, how to communicate with the database, how we can secure a request from the client to the database. Before that, if you are using these things, that will be end up a mess, and these tools are not for the beginners. You can get the results, for example, how to do something and get information, but do not generate the whole website or apps using these tools. It will end up the unsecured application, unsecured websites. So that's my suggestion to everyone who is watching and new to programming. So we need to change the index.css. We will control S, and also we need to change details. Control copy, and we will say details. Control O, control V, control S. And now let me go to that, and now it works fine. Wow. Whoa. It works fine. So now let me just click on Justin you will say Justin Timberlake on this, and suggestion is this. This is looking nice, but again the scroll is not working, but the website is working. So the key concept of this project was when we search a thing, for example, we search Apple, right? And we search for Apple, then we will get a text description for Apple, a image description for Apple, and a video suggestion. Right now it is just a dummy video suggestions, but when you use a API from the YouTube and give a API key, you will get details. But now we see everything was, but the scroll not working. So we will ask from the DeepSeek. Okay, no, sorry. Everything fixed. Everything fixed. Only scroll not working and scroll not working. Working on website. Due to the parent container not having proper height. So ensure the layout.jsx proper height. So let's see if we did some changes to the layout.jsx and the problem fixed. Currently it is working like a charm, but only the scroll not working. Only the scroll. So this is the layout. So we will see layout.jsx, Control V, Control S, and then we need to go to details, is just getting the data. The app is working fine. Okay, for example, if I search for Cristiano Ronaldo, so it's getting the data from the Wikipedia, also the images, and also the video data in here in just single page, but just the scroll is not working. So we need to fix it, and we need to copy it. I think it is the detail JSX. Yeah, that's the detail JSX. So detail JSX, Control Alt, Control V, Control S, and we need to add some properties to our index.css. Quick scrolling, control copy, and we need to go to index.css and we need to add this to a CSS file. We'll say control S, and then let me rerun it, the terminal. Control C again. npm is going on, where is freezed, the terminal processed. Okay, so again open the terminal, we will say run dev and 5173. Same as that. It messed up the layout. If Cristiano Ronaldo, and now everything messed up. Welcome to the stream. Mutton with everything. Everything messed up, only text show after only text show to the updates. There's and also scrolling not working. Not working. Let me provide you a clean working solution. The issues like CSS classes and layout structure is completely fixed. Okay. Replace your entire. Okay, let me replace it after getting the whole data. If you are new to the stream, please like the stream, and if you are new to the channel, then hit that subscribe button. We will do live stream about 3 times in a week or a month. If I didn't find a topic, we often doing live stream. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you will get a notification whenever I just get live. Intros. Okay, these copy and then index.css, control all, control V. Okay, control S. This control S, and then we need to copy updated layout.jsx. We will change the updated layout of JSX copy, then we need to go to layout.jsx, all, control V, control S, and then we need to go down, update it. Okay, these are the details. And we need to update the details dot jsx, control all, control v, and control s. And here we will type control c, again on the one div, and so clean structure 40% and 30%, 30%. Each column content or scrolling independently. So we will, okay, now it works. Look at this, our project works. Our project works. This is the video suggestions. Get 3 videos for 0.792%. So again, okay, let's change the whole website. Nice. So the search is now looking nice. The project name is informal. For example, if we search for Obama, I said Obama, Barack Obama, we click on this, and when we click on this, so the top image is not flexed. Top image is not good. We will change that. And the details from the Wikipedia, we also get the images and also the featured images. When you get API, this is the testing phase. So whenever you get API key, we'll put that API key here. So we will get these images. This images comes from this. So now in one place, you will get everything. This was the main theme, and this was my final project of my university, where I developed this application using Android and Java. So let me tell to DeepSeek is that everything working perfect, but top image to off. Can you fix it? You fix it. Second, why only one image show? Use any free API to get images about the query. Let's check it. Give you E or Y query. Fix the top image display. Okay, we will copy that. So this is the top image. So we need to go to details and search for that. And what's that? Let me just, we need to search for wikidata dot thumbnail. So we will say control F. We will find out wiki thumbnail. We will say wiki dot thumbnail. Wikidata dot thumbnail. Yeah, here we need to change this to this. Is that okay? Thumbnail to this, control S, control S, and again to CSS. Okay, let's me just go to the services api.js control all control copy. So let me give it the css. This is what we call that, api.js. Okay, this is updated. uh, Also we need to change image styles. Copy, add these styles to your index.css. We need to go to index.css and we search for, if we have already that, image styles. Let me go to the bottom and paste it here and control S. So let me go to that, and this is the updated one. Okay, we need to update the api.js and control S, and we need to update the details.js also, and control all, control V, control S, and at the bottom I want give me whole updated index.css. So we will do not need to search anything. We will get again the updated version of the CSS. So let's see. One thing I like about DeepSeek that whenever this chat is go to the reach limit, because every chat go to its reach limit, and when you create a new chat here, the hell, where is that? Okay, that's when you create a new chat here and you tell him that I want to restart that chat, and you give it the chat name, it will restart that chat with a new instance and it will give you more data. But in Gemini, it forget about that. You need to give it some hints to Gemini or ChatGPT. But this is the quality of DeepSeek, that it's remember what you just end up. Okay, so now the images is working. Heavy, 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 heavy. And also the text is working. This was my final project. I did it in 2017 for Android. Let me just, okay, I will change the mobile view, but right now it is working fine. It's looking so awesome, where you can search something and get every details like videos, images, and text in just one single page. And that was my final project concept. Control S. Let's see what's changed. Okay, now everything is working fine. But why not the image is loaded? In previous version it loads, but now it's only show this. So let me just again, for example, let's go to Justin. We'll say people, and now we tell him after the CSS to the index dot CSS update bottom images is not showing images is call that showing titles and thumbnails. Okay, which sections? Okay, we need to copy and we need to search for this image section. Control copy, and you can see Control F. We'll say Control V, and this is the image section. We need to copy from here until we reach to here, until we reach to feature image caption. Okay, we feature image caption, this one. We need to update this one. So come on, where is that? Okay, this is image section. Control V, and we will update this. Control S, and let me Control C, and again on the server. And now it's working fine. Brilliant. This is working like a boss. Is working fine. So this was the concept, and welcome to Informo, and use the search bar. Let me search for who. Type in the chat, I will search it. Let's engage. So let me search for who. Who. Give me anything. Type in the chat for who should, for example, search for Java. I'm a Java developer. I will search for Java, and it only get 2 images, not 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the problem. And open on Wikipedia. When I click on open on Wikipedia, okay, let me just tell the can we show whole article of Wikipedia, Wikipedia, and like Wikipedia show with images and CSS like Wikipedia. Let's see. Okay, we will update the API to get the whole thing. That's nice. We need to update this. Okay, we only get the top portion. And let's talk about, we will say Python, right? Python programming language. And then it only show the headers. And this is the developer of Python. Here you can see that. And updated details. We need to update the API first. API.js. Okay. And then we need to update the details.jsx. So let's see if the updates works or not. So currently it is working like awesome. Loading Python programming language. Okay, no content available because we do not change the main thing, and that is details. JSX, we got the videos details, images, but we need to change the details.jsx. Okay, this is details.jsx. We will copy it and then go to details.jsx, control all and control V, control S, and then we need anything else to change in the CSS. Add these to the your index.css. So in here we will give a Wikipedia type CSS to our CSS. Copy, and here we will go to index.css. I think we don't have that. Yeah, we don't have this version, so we will paste it at the bottom. We will say control S, and let's see anything else. Two-man mode, Wikipedia view, full article, and split with original 3 columns. So let's see. Let me just control C to stop. Control C and run them again. And okay, we have the data from the Wikipedia, and if you want a split view, a split view. So split view not showing the content, but Wikipedia view whole data of Wikipedia here. This is a nice thing. Okay, we need a split view. Let me tell him that remove the Wikipedia view and show the whole Wikipedia article and split view portion of Wikipedia. It's gonna be the last update. After this, I will stop my stream because right now it's Wikipedia view. For example, if you just search for Justin Bieber, okay, and it will show all the things about the Justin Bieber right here, okay, but in the split view, nothing show up here. So we will do that. We need to update details.jsx. So now the data will be showing only in the split view, the images and video in one single place. So let's see. So this is updated details.jsx. We will go to details.jsx, control all, control V, and then control S, and then anything else. And after this, update CSS and add, okay, it is updating the CSS. Give me whole index dot CSS updated version. Now it works. Okay, so we search for Wikipedia. So this is the Wikipedia article, and this is the portion. This is for the images, and this for the video suggestions. So whenever I click on, like, I search for Obama, here Barack Obama, and here loading data, and it will show everything, and here for the images, and also the article about Barack Obama about here. Yeah, this is looking nice, but we need to update the CSS and we will get the clean data too. So you can use this project for your semester project or presentation topic or final project. You can use it. This was my final project for my Android application where I just use the Wikipedia search API and get the article from the Wikipedia, and then images I use, for example, as I remember, I use Flickr API for the images, and for the video suggestions I used Wikipedia. I use YouTube API. So this was my final project back in 2017. And this idea, the supervisor of mine was turned like, are you, so he was saying, so I will search one thing and get everything in one single place. And I told him yes. And I did that project in 15 days. And then doing the thesis, everything, requirements, use cases, testing, and I got 4 GPA in my final semester, and I was so happy, and my viva went so good. Here we copy, and we need to update the index.css, control S, and let me just control C and restart the server, and hopefully Hopefully loading data. Okay, everything looks fine. And in images, everything is amazing. I go to Informo. I will say, what should I say? Tell me in the chat for one thing I notice here. For example, I will search for Java. Okay, I search for Java and this looks white. Okay, this is not right. Mac, Wikipedia, and black, like other, not Fano. I will say portion or div in Wikipedia, like other. Like this looking so elegant, but this is white. So this is updated index.css. We could give a portion team to make the rest of the interface. That's what I wanted. So tell me, what should I search here? Who is your favorite celebrity or programmer, or which language you are using for development? For example, HTML, and we will say HTML5, right? And here you can see HTML means hypertext markup language. First of all, the HTML is not a programming language. This is hypertext markup language. This is not. I asked from many people that what are you doing? I'm HTML developer. I'm programming in HTML. I told him that HTML is not a programming language. Now let's talk. Search for dog or cat. Loading cat. Okay. So how much data in the CSS is not loading like this? And this is Palace cat. So we search for cat. We got the article from the Wikipedia. We got the images. We got the video suggestions in just one single place. Can we I will never use anti-gravity again. Copy, we'll go for index.css, hold Control V, Control S, and let's see what changes. Let's search for who? Let's search for who is the famous in the world. Let's search for Imran Khan. Imran Khan. This is Imran Khan. Imran Khan Niazi, born on 5 October 1952, is a Pakistani former cricketer. What is a philanthropist and what is that? Philanthropist and politician who served as the 19th Prime Minister of Pakistan from August 2018 until April 2022. As a cricketer, he captained the Pakistan national cricket team to the victory in 1992 Cricket World Cup. So that was the project where we search a thing like mango and we get the details about mango as a Wikipedia article. We get the images, but right now it is a testing phase. We do not use any Fed API or API key to get complete details here. And this is video suggestion. This is also a dummy video suggestion because we do not use YouTube API where you will get a key from YouTube and use that to get suggestion for your article. And I started this project with Antigravity as usual, like a previous version in yesterday. Antigravity undef with useless thoughts, everything, and Antigravity didn't finish this project, but I uninstalled that shit. Like just here, you can see nothing show up here, nothing, and I fixed it. The project with DeepSeek around I think 2 to 3 forms, and now the project is working. And that's the power of DeepSeek. So my recommendation is use for me anti-gravity is not working and the way and it taking too much time to loads everything, but for you can use it, you can test out, but from past 3 days I feel for the first day it was working great, and after that I feel disappointment, and I thought that it is a Google product, it will be great, but after the testing my recommendation, I'm not recommending that, sorry. So my opinion about, I will give you my opinion, I'm not giving any recommendation. So my opinion about anti-gravity, it is slow, it is just a garbage, it is not following the instruction, and it getting the screenshots and testing that, but still not working. So for me, I will never use again the anti-gravity, and I uninstall it. So sorry Google for that. And that was it for today live stream. We build an application where we type something like monkey. We will get the suggestions from the Wikipedia. Then we will click on monkey and we will get the article about the monkey. We will get images about the monkey. We can increase this count, and also when we use YouTube API for with the key, we will get more YouTube suggestion here. So this was the concept. Hope this you enjoyed this live stream, and hopefully you like the stream. And if you are new to the channel, must subscribe. We will do live streaming, and you can give me a topic and I will give a live stream on that. But the next live stream, I will show you how you can edit thumbnails. Like if you watch a thumbnail on YouTube like this, for example, youtube.com, I went to YouTube and I like this thumbnail. We will get that thumbnail link, we will grab it, and I will show you how you can edit that thumbnail with Gemini for free. So stay tuned, click on subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow. So have a good day, have a good night, sweet dreams, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.